Good morning, everybody. It's always so good to see you. Today, we're going to be working with equations again. Last time, we worked with some different things. We had baseballs and stars and candies. Today, we're going to be working with toy mice, and we're going to be looking at some symbols in our equations. Last time, we had some words and different words. Today, we have a plus sign. It looks like a lowercase t, but it's not. It's a little bit smaller like this. And an equal sign, where two lines are one above the other. And we use them to make an equation to show what we're thinking. And it means adding. The plus sign means we're adding something to something else to get one bigger number. So if I'm looking at this equation, I would say 5 plus 3 equals 8. I added 5 and 3 together. 5 in my head, 3 on my fingers, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I got the answer 8. And we're going to be doing that with toy mice today in your student journal on page 85. The directions say to use brown, but if you don't have a brown, do you think it's okay to use a different color? Absolutely okay. The color doesn't matter. What matters is your brain working and figuring out some math. All right, that's always important. Let me head over to our workbook page. Here's page 85. And as always, we will read the directions first. Color the mice. Not all of them, but each box will tell us a different number. Then write a matching equation. All right, box A says color 3 mice brown. I'm going to see if my highlighter has a brown. It does. I'm going to color 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, now I need to label. And I need to write 3. I colored 3 brown. Now let's count how many we did not color. 1, 2, 3, 4. So my equation says 3 plus 4 equals, what's your strategy? Are you going to count all the mice together, or are you going to count on? We'll do both, just so we get some more practice, because practice is always good. I'm going to put 3 in my head, 4 on my fingers. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So far, I've got a 7. I'm going to write 7 just in case I forget, because sometimes I do. Now I want to count all the mice in total to see if it does equal 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It matches. It sounds like 3 plus 4 equals 7 is the right answer. Let's move on to box B. I'm reading the directions. Color 5 mice brown. I'm going to go back to my highlighter tool and color 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, I need to label it. I colored 5 brown. Let's count how many I did not color. 1, 2. So now my equation says 5 plus 2 equals, let's check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The answer, I think, will be 7. Which is cool, because in box A was a different way to make 7. 3 and 4 made 7. And in box B, it looks like 5 and 2 will also make 7. Let's count to make sure that we are right. Let's be good mathematicians. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We are on the money, honey. Great job. 2 more boxes. Box C is next. Let's color 2 mice brown. I'm not making that up. I'm not picking a number like I did last time. I'm reading the directions, and it says color 2. 1, 2. And because I know all the steps, I need to write a 2 in the first box because that's how many I colored brown. What do we need to do next? If you said count all the white mice, you are right. Good thinking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or I could get out my skip counting fingers and count by twos. 2, 4, 6. Yep. 2 plus 6 equals, let's count the mice and figure it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, 2 plus 6 equals 8. I want to double check. And I'm going to put 6 in my brain and 2 in my fingers. I know that's backwards from the equation, but that's okay. As long as you're using the same two numbers, it doesn't matter which one comes first. So 6 in my brain, 2 on my fingers. 6, 7, 8. One last one. Let me read the directions. Color 4 mice brown. I'm going to go back to my highlighter and color 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The next thing you need to do is label how many mice I colored. I colored 4. How many did I leave white? Just 1. 1 is super easy, just a straight line down. And 4 in my brain, 1 on my fingers, 4, 5. 1 more than 4 is 5. And the equation sounds like 4 plus 1 equals 5. Great work today. We're going to be working with addition equations for a while, and we'll be getting lots of practice. So if it's hard, do not fret, my pet. We are going to be practicing until it is super easy. You're going to get it in no time at all. And if this is easy for you, you can challenge yourself and make some equations and solve them in different ways. See you next time.